Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the rear heat duct in your dryer, be sure to unplug the power cord and close the water supply valve. Use a number 2 square bit or a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws at the back securing the main top. Slide the main top back and lift it up to remove. Next, unthread the screws securing the control panel mounting brackets to the frame. With the screws removed, lift the panel up and use a small flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tab to release the wire connector. Open the dryer door and unthread the 2 screws on the front panel securing the lint filter housing cover. Lift and support the dryer. Then unthread the bottom front panel mounting screws. With the screws unthreaded, remove the support and unthread the top front panel mounting screws. Lift the panel up and out. Disconnect the door switch wire connector to fully remove the front panel. Now disconnect both the drum light wire connector and the user control board wire connector from the main control board. Unthread the control board support bracket screws and detach the bracket from the front bulkhead. Unthread the lower bulkhead mounting screws. Carefully lift the front bulkhead up to detach it from the frame. Support the main control board bracket. Reach under the drum and unthread the belt from the pulley and motor shaft. You can use the belt to help lift out the drum. Now unthread the screws securing the heat duct to the lower portion of the rear bulkhead. Next, remove the screws to release the main top mounting bracket. Detach the water supply line from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Now remove the screw to release the rear access panel. Note the orientation of the power cord wires on the terminal block, then use a 1/4-inch socket or a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws to disconnect the wires. Now remove all of the rear panel mounting screws. set the rear panel aside. Unthread the mounting screw and pull the thermistor out of the heat duct. Next, unthread the screws securing the heat duct to the heating element housing. Support the heat duct as you remove the remaining 3 mounting screws securing the duct to the rear bulkhead. Remove the old duct. Install the new rear heat duct by aligning it on the bulkhead. Thread and tighten all of the mounting screws to secure. Replace the screw to secure the duct to the heating element housing. Insert the thermistor into the new duct and secure it with the mounting screw. Reposition the rear panel. Then thread and tighten the screws to secure. Note that the longer screw should be used to secure the panel above the exhaust vent. Connect the power cord wires to the appropriate terminals on the terminal block and secure them with the screws. Replace the rear access panel and secure it with the screw. Attach the water supply line to the inlet valve. Realign the main top mounting bracket and replace the screws to secure. Reinstall the drum by positioning it on the rear rollers. Loop the belt on the pulley and motor shaft in a zigzag formation. Rotate the drum to help align the belt. Reinstall the front bulkhead by inserting the tabs into the slots in the frame as you align the drum on the front rollers. Thread and tighten the lower bulkhead mounting screws. Detach the support from the main control board bracket and hook the bracket onto the bulkhead. Replace the screws. Reconnect the user control board wire connector, as well as the drum light wire connector. Reinstall the front panel by first reconnecting the door switch wire connector. Now hook the front panel tabs on the slots in the frame. Replace the panel mounting screws on top. Lift and support the dryer to replace the bottom mounting screws. Thread and tighten the 2 screws to secure the lint filter housing cover to the front panel. Connect the wire connector to the user control board. Reposition the control panel and replace the screws to secure the brackets. Realign the main top and slide it into place. Rethread the screws in the back. With the repair completed, reopen the water supply valve, plug the power cord back in, and your dryer should be ready for use.